With this truck come many custom appointments. The body line that usually is right here and shoots across has been welded solid and deleted. The two-piece bumper filler right here also has a seam that has been deleted on both sides. The gas cap and tank has been eliminated and moved back here to eliminate any fumes or anything back there. Also, the roof seam that runs across here, cuts across there, has also been welded and smoothed. The inside of the bed has been completely removed as far as the center. The wheel wells have been added onto for a mini tub effect, 4 inches, creating room all the way to the frame for a tire. Also, a flat bed instead of the stair step, and a diamond plate was put in its place. Then the entire inside of the bed and underside of the bed have been covered with a tinted Raptor liner. The tailgate is a new Dan Carpenter, and other than the floorboards are the only pieces that were purchased for this vehicle. The rest of the sheet metal is all original. The front brakes are a 77 Ford disc stock units. The rear end is the original drum brakes. The inside is the Ranger 2 interior that came stock with this truck. Every appointment's been gone over. Gauges have been added for better monitoring. Has a Auto Classic Sound retro radio. This truck has been completely disassembled and brought back. Even the underneath of the dash shows that even in the nether regions, detail was used. This was not going to be an ordinary build. We wanted a reliable custom. But we wanted everything, if something were to break down, to be easily obtainable. So a lot of stock units, stock parts from this truck were used. This truck was also a full-blown Ranger with all the trim on the sides. But those were all deleted for a much cleaner appearance. The bed is a 3-piece side with a seam running down here and the seam running down along here. All have been welded and turned into a single-piece bedside to look cleaner.